So Louise has bailed on me on the front row.
It's the only one I get on, so I'm taking it.
Yeah. So this is going to be interesting. We hope that it doesn't come over here.
It's like a
Yeah, they do, because if this boat is front heavy, I'm going to cry.
I mean, bad news.
The last... Oh no! I'm doomed.
Okay, it just came in. It started coming in the boat. Look, it's coming in the boat. Look at me, it's just coming in the boat.
Everyone's sitting on the left. Oh no, this is going to overflow. I'm sorry, shoes. I'm so sorry. What's that?
It's coming in the boat. I'm so scared for my life.
Everyone is sitting on the left-hand side behind us. Oh, I regret this. The fact that water is about 5 centimeters. It's going over the bow. I'm screwed. Oh, I love these shoes and they're screwed.
Why is everyone sitting on the left? Why is this allowed?
Why? I don't know. I'm doomed.
No, this is not good. I always feel a safety risk coming up here.
Please don't overshoot. If we overshoot that stop zone, you know, off the rail, and it gets to the trough.
I should have swapped with the guy behind me. As in, like, not good. Anyway, this is a good drop, so here we go.
Oh my god.
Well,
So yeah, very interesting. Yeah, has to go out to let the other one down. Oh, it's only water, isn't it, at the end of the day?
Yeah, as long as the boat doesn't like
Capsize and kill us all.
Yeah.
At the moment we're on track, so I'm happy. Lovely view of the park. Oh, I want to get off.
Here we go.
No turning back now.
Ooh, it's scary at the front.
Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! Trim brakes, we need trim brakes! We need trim brakes! Oh my, no, no, no! More trims, trims, please! Why do I not see any trims?
There's no trims.
My god!
They're going much faster.
Oh no!
Much faster. Oh my god!
Oh shit, honey, I see! Okay.
Oh, luckily we're hitting the bottom here.
Okay, we're shallow.
We don't fall over.
I'm wet. Okay. The poo.
Much worse at the front.
A little bit wet. We'll see when we're off the ride. My shoes are safe.